The beauty of the autumn season has finally reached its peak. The air is crisp and the trees have turned into a canvas of gold and crimson. I spend so much of the year looking forward to days like these, but now that they're finally here, I've been feeling this underlying anxiety, a pressure I put on myself to make the most of every single moment, which ironically takes me out of the moment entirely. I'm someone who loves filling my free time with my favorite hobbies and activities, but this autumn has been especially busy between my freelance work and some unexpected changes in my personal life, and I haven't been able to find the time for everything I wanted to do at the start of the season. Finding balance has been a challenge lately, but it's also been an opportunity to reconsider what savoring the moment really means to me. I've realized that I sometimes feel a sense of scarcity around the things I love, this feeling that I have to experience something perfectly for it to be meaningful. And while planning for the perfect day or season brings me joy, it can also add a layer of expectation that keeps me from staying fully present. There are no perfect days or perfect feelings, but I'm finding that the moments of imperfection can be just as fulfilling. For me, the key to truly savoring the moment has been letting go of my expectations and letting life happen. This autumn has taught me that instead of focusing on the things I should do to enjoy each moment, it's often the things I don't do that help me feel more present. Sometimes joy finds us when we stop searching for it, and when we make room for the unexpected, that's when the magic happens. I've been diving deeper into herbalism this year, and a few months back, I found this recipe that I couldn't wait to try once fall arrived called Fire Cider. It's from Rosemary Gladstar's Medicinal Herbs Guidebook, which has been one of my favorite resources as I learn more about using plants in everyday life. Rosemary created the original fire cider recipe back in the 1970s, and it's become a favorite in the herbalism community ever since. It's made by infusing apple cider vinegar with warming ingredients like garlic, ginger, and horseradish, and it's known for boosting immunity and warming the body, just perfect for the chilly months ahead. Over the years, many herbalists have put their own twist on fire cider, adding different herbs and spices to make it unique. Today, I'm experimenting with my very first batch, using Rosemary's recipe as the base and adding some different ingredients to make it my own. going to store the jar in a cool, dark place in the back of my pantry for about a month to infuse. When it's ready, I'm going to take a tablespoon of fire cider daily for immune support, and I also plan on making some salad dressings with it because I heard it's really delicious. One of my favorite ways to hang on to autumn just a little bit longer is by preserving fall leaves in beeswax. The beeswax creates a seal around the leaves, which prevents them from drying out and helps preserve their color for longer. I've melted about half a cup of beeswax over low heat, and now I'm dipping each leaf into the warm wax and allowing the excess to drip off. Then I'm placing the leaves on a sheet of wax paper to dry. Once the wax has hardened on the leaves, I'm using some string to attach them to a stick to create a wall hanging. These leaves will usually retain their color for several months, and I just love how beautiful they look as autumn decor in my home. Hello friends! I just wanted to check in before the end of this video and say hello because I miss you all so much. This fall season has brought many unexpected changes in my life, and there have been a lot of ups and downs as per usual. That's just how it goes sometimes. But I'm doing well, Alex is doing well, and we're very happy and healthy, but I will share more of a life update on what's been going on in my next video. I'm finally getting back into the swing of creating videos again after needing to take some time off, and it feels so good to be back. I'm so excited for the rest of the year, and I have a lot of really fun things planned for the rest of autumn and the holiday season. And like I said earlier in this video, I'm just savoring every last bit of fall. I love this season so much, and I haven't been able to spend as much time outside as I wish I could with everything going on. But even if I'm able to walk outside for just a couple minutes, I breathe in the fresh autumn air and I just feel instantly happy, so I'm just trying to soak it all in. So I hope you've all had an amazing autumn, and I think by the time this video goes up, it's going to be right after Halloween, so I hope you all had an amazing Halloween to everyone who celebrates. Thank you all so much for the love and support you've given me here on YouTube and for all of your support of my shop this season as well. I'm just so grateful to all of you, and I can't wait to keep sharing more videos with you. Thanks again, friends, and I will see you next time.